Hariom. My name is Nandini, and this is, I would say, is one of the very first videos जो मैं upload कर रही हूँ. I have not thought anything about what should be the script or something, but the foremost reason for me to create the YouTube channel was just to kind of document in terms of what I am learning, what I am reading. कुछ specific नहीं है, कोई specific topic नहीं है. It's just that जब से योगा मेरी life में आया है, I have started realizing कि and I think there would be some people who will be able to relate कि आपके अंदर कुछ open हो जाता है. There is something which just opens inside you and which just triggers you to learn more. I'm not saying कि मुझे सडनली बहुत सारी चीज़ों में इंटरेस्ट आ गया, नहीं. इट्स जस्ट दैट एनीथिंग विच आई एम एबल टू रिलेट टू और मुझे बहुत फैसिनेटिंग लगता है. आई जस्ट फील लाइक एक्सप्लोरिंग दैट. बहुत कुछ सीखना है, बहुत कुछ लर्न करना है. और आई रिमेंबर फ्यू ईयर्स बिफोर, जब अभी भी लाइफ बहुत बिजी है, बट आई डोंट ट्रीट इट एज अ बिजी लाइफ. बट हमेशा अगर मान लो कभी किसी ने बोला कि यार ये सीख लो, या ये नई टेक्नोलॉजी है, या यू कैन डू दिस, आई यूज़ टू गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड कि यार ऑलरेडी लाइफ में इतना भसड़ मची हुई है. आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू समथिंग न्यू. एंड विद योगा सडनली आई स्टार्ट फीलिंग कि देयर इज़ सो मच टू लर्न. इतना फैसिनेटिंग है सब कुछ. एंड will I be able to do all that in this one lifetime, which I don't even know कि कब तक है, कहाँ तक है. So be very grateful, be very gracious of whatever time we are getting, and just utilize it in learning. And see, with that, as I started the video कि मेरे पास कोई script नहीं है. I don't know where I'm taking this conversation, but first and foremost thing, the reason I thought, okay, let me just sit with my camera and make something, is around a book called You Are the Placebo. I know इसमें I think mirror image दिख रहा होगा. I'm still, learning the do's and don'ts of YouTube or video. So, yeah. So this is the book called You Are the Placebo, Making Your Mind Matter. The author is Dr. Joe Dispenza. I hope I'm pronouncing his name correctly. And this book I just happened to pick up, right? Dr. Joe Dispenza, इनके मैं काफ़ी वीडियोस मैंने देखे हैं on the YouTube. And there was one weekend, a fine weekend, I just went with one of my friends to a bookstore, and we were just rushing. The store was going to close, and हमें था कि हमें जल्दी से निकल के जाना है. And I was like कि मैंने कोई बुक क्यों नहीं उठाई है अभी तक, because I was so engrossed in exploring. And since the store was closing, मैंने suddenly जो मुझे सामने दिखा, and this was what I saw. And then मैंने इसको उठा लिया. And when I saw the author, I was like, okay, not a bad choice, because I really enjoy listening to him. It's not that I'm an ardent listener, but हाँ, मैंने उनके कुछ videos सुने हैं, and I am able to relate to them. So that's where I was proud of my selection, and I started. So you can see मैंने अभी तक it's a total over 340 pages of a book, and abhi tak I have completed 156. So almost nearing the half of it. And as in when I'm reading it, maybe in my next videos I would like to plan it better, because there are so many books जो मैं read कर रही हूँ, and there are so many things to learn and to reread them. I always carry my pencil with me. So जहाँ पे भी मुझे लगता है I need to take notes, I always take that and I do that. But coming to the point, what triggered me just now, because I was just now reading this book and I was like, नहीं ये तो नंदिनी तुम्हें बोलना ही बोलना है, and somewhere I need to document this. Is so this talks about, as the name suggests, you are the placebo. It talks about you yourself are the placebo. Placebo is what, right? Placebo is something that you make your mind believe that there is something, and then your mind, body, brain reacts to it. बहुत सारे हॉस्पिटल्स में ये चीज़ें होती है, राइट? दे गिव अ पेशेंट अ प्लेसिबो एंड इन द रिएक्शन ऑफ अ प्लेसिबो पेशेंट रिएक्ट्स, एंड इवन इफ उनको कुछ what the term they use, I'm not remembering the term, but basically, let's say instead of a medicine, they are giving them the sugar pills, and still their body reacts, right? Because, so there is one beautiful term the author has used. If you really want your mind to work like a placebo, there are 3 integral parts to it: acceptance, belief, and surrender. And when I heard the word surrender, and there is one beautiful chapter, chapter 6, which basically explore about how your conscious mind works and how your subconscious mind works, and how exactly the placebo plays a major role in and around the subconscious mind. And the association of the word surrender, how beautifully it has been done, it just blew my mind, because before reading this book, I have got a privilege. I have been privileged to at least, undergo a course where I studied Patanjali Yoga Sutra. And in Patanjali Yoga Sutra, there are many concepts related to surrender. Ishwar Pranidhana. Pranidhana, which means you are surrendering to the God. And what is Ishwar? In Patanjali Yoga Sutra, it's not defined. It's not associated. I'm not saying it's not defined, sorry, that's an incorrect statement. It's not, in Patanjali Yoga Sutra, Ishwar is not associated with any deity. No. There are different qualities of Ishwar जो पतंजलि योगा सूत्रा में लिखी हैं, कि it is beyond the cycle of karma and many other things. I think उसके लिए एक separate, I think मैं एक वीडियो बना सकती हूँ, because that will be a good learning for me as well, just to revisiting those concepts. So when I saw कि हमारा जो वैदिक लिटरेचर है, even if you go to Vedanta, और वहाँ पे आप जब बात करते हैं, आप इंडियन फ़िलॉसफी, योगिक फ़िलॉसफी के बारे में जब भी आप पढ़ेंगे, सरेंडर इज़ अ बिग कॉन्सेप्ट. हमेशा बोलते हैं ना, भगवान पे छोड़ दो, भगवान पे सरेंडर कर दो, है ना? इस बुक में बताया गया है सरेंडर जो हम कर रहे हैं, actually at a neurological level, at a psychological level, how it impacts. And the reason it blew my mind is that जो हमारे योगिक scriptures में जो चीज़ें लिखी हुई हैं, maybe scientifically they have not been explained, but they make so much sense when they talk about Ishwar Pranidhana, and when they talk about surrendering to the God or to the cycle of karma. How the author here in this book is connecting the dots at how surrender actually works. So जो ये बात हम बोलते हैं कि यार भगवान पे छोड़ दो, अगर आपने अपनी चीज़ें भगवान पे छोड़ दी, भगवान अपने आप ही उस चीज़ को देख लेते हैं. सो इस बुक में आपको एक्चुअली बताया गया है कि वो होता क्यों है. सो इफ़ यू आर अ पर्सन हु इज़ क्वाइट लॉजिकल, बहुत रैशनल हैं, आप अपना एनालिटिकल माइंड बहुत यूज़ करते हैं, यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, सो यू कांट जस्ट गिव इन टू टू द नेचर और टू द गॉड कि मैं कैसे छोड़ दूँ अपने हाथ से चीज़ें, और मैं कैसे सारा चीज़ें भगवान के ऊपर छोड़ दूँ. सो आई थिंक दिस बुक इज़ फॉर यू. एंड again, I think third time I'm repeating why it blew my mind is that this has beautifully integrated our yogic philosophy with the modern science. So again, I'm saying, if you are a kind of a person who are quite analytical and you do not believe into the concepts of meditation or how exactly meditation works. So हमें पता है कि meditation is basically nothing but quieting your mind, quietening your thoughts. वो होता कैसे है? Scientifically, it's written there. By saying this, I'm not saying कि जो योगा सूत्रा में चीज़ें लिखी हैं या जो हमारे सांख्य योगा में चीज़ें लिखी हैं, उसमें से यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट्स द ब्यूटिफुल कॉन्सेप्ट विच मेंशंस अबाउट हाउ चित्त वृत्ति निरोधा हैपन्स विच लीड्स टू द समाधि और ध्यान और धारणा. But this will bring the scientific aspects, the neurological aspects to how exactly things happen. And surrender, जो हम आई थिंक इतने सारा आजकल रील्स में सुनते रहते हैं, सरेंडर सरेंडर सरेंडर. हाउ एग्जैक्टली दैट सरेंडर वर्क्स एट योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड? Chapter 6 of this book. So now my plan is, I'm already, as I said, more than halfway through. But I'm thinking कि maybe as my journaling, notes to myself, or maybe the likes of others who are interested in listening to it or making notes of it, I'm thinking to again starting this, maybe one paragraph, one page, 2 pages, or whichever the concept I feel are relatable or I need to make note of. I will try to make some small videos or the shorts, and I'll try to post them in this channel. So yeah, this was it for today. Amazing book, guys. And as and when I'm progressing in my journey of also picking up some Western psychology and philosophy books, I'm able to connect the dots. See, it's quite a debatable topic. I don't want to get into it, but there are many things which I'm able to see and associate with what was written in our scriptures 1,000 years, lakhs of years, I don't know what is the timeline, and how in the Western philosophy and in the modern science those things are being reiterated scientifically, and it makes me proud. It makes me feel proud of our heritage, our culture, and it re-establishes my faith more and more into the path which I am trying to walk onto, which is the path of yoga. So yes, thank you so much for listening to me. Hari Om Tat Sat, Har Har Mahadev. Bye bye.